Hey guys, I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and in this video we are going to unbox the Honor's latest budget offering called the Honor 8X. We are going to give you our first impressions and our hands-on. So let's get started. Opening the box, the first thing we get is the phone itself. Then we have a clear case for the phone, a SIM ejector tool and some documentation. Digging deeper, we get Huawei branded power adapter and a micro USB cable for charging and data transfer. Sadly, there is no USB Type-C port on the Honor 8X. It's a micro USB port. Taking a closer look, it now has a glass sandwich design unlike the predecessor which has a metal build. Yes, we are talking of the Honor 7X. On the back we have this beautiful dual tone blue finish for which the Honor is famous. On top we have a noise cancelling microphone. On the left we get volume rockers and power or wake up button. On the right hand side we get a triple SIM card slot which can take 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card with expansion of up to 400 GB possible with a micro SD. On the bottom we get a 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker grill, micro USB port for charging, data transfer and primary microphone. On the back we get a dual camera setup in which the primary camera is 20 megapixel with f-stop 1.8 and is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the back we also get this attractive dual tone finish, fingerprint scanner and Honor branding. On the front there is a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio. Yes, it belongs to the family of notch smartphones, but the notch is reasonably small and the chin is also small. We get a 16 megapixel front facing camera inside the notch. That was the physical aspect of the Honor 8X. Now let's talk about what's inside. It is powered by Honor's own Kirin 710 processor with either 4 or 6 GB of RAM options. It comes in 3 storage options, 32 GB, 64 or 128 GB. To run the show there is a 3750 mAh battery which should last at least a day and some more on moderate usage. It runs Honor's own custom skin called EMUI which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Now let's have a look at the cameras. It has the dual camera setup on the back with 20 plus 2 megapixel camera. On the front is a 16 megapixel camera and we get a wide variety of AI enabled features that can be used according to different situations. We clicked some pictures with this device and you can see the results on your screen, and you tell us in the comments how do you like these pictures. This phone does not support 4K video recording out of the box. Overall, the Honor 8X is a feature-packed smartphone. It has many Honor features like party mode, etc. and it also brings to the table new glass build which looks and feels very premium and is definitely a head turner. It can be a good option to consider if you are in the market to purchase a smartphone in a price range of 15 to 20,000 rupees. It will go on sale from 24th October and we are leaving Best Buy links in the description section below where you can buy this for the Best Buy price. Our first impressions about this phone are positive and we really like what we see here. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Stay subscribed for more and make sure you press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. This is all we have on this one. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Have a good day.